Hello, everybody. Today we are going to discuss an important aspect of recruitment, which is a manpower intent or a recruitment request. So, in an organization with a detailed and a long hierarchy, it is imperative that the head of departments make a request to the HR department whenever they would like to request for hiring new individuals. In that scenario, they are supposed to request or raise a recruitment request or a manpower intent. Do so, we go to recruitment request and click on create. There are multiple possibilities or reasons for which the recruitment would be done. There are three major cases that we have covered: additional staff, replacement, and new position. Based on the choice of your recruitment reason, the system shows you different information. For replacement, we see the information of exiting employee, his date of exit, and his reason of departure. For additional staff, we can see that if you need additional staff, what is the justification or reason for additional staff. If it's a new position, then you have to tell us what are the number of existing staff and the position that they report to. Assuming it's a case of additional staff, then we will choose the type of employment that we are expecting, the designation for which we would like to hire, the department. If there is a case of project management in your organization, you can choose the required project as well. You can define the number of people to be recruited. You can define the proposed salary that you expect to be given. What are the qualifications that you expect? And provide a request. Require staff to manage upcoming projects. Once a request is done, you can click on save and submit this for approval. The request is first goes to the finance head, who reviews the annual budget for recruitment and manpower, and based on the budget and the requirement will approve or reject the request. Okay, so assuming that he approves the request, after the approval, it now goes to the management, the CEO of the company or the managing director of the company for approval. We can change this approval level to different individuals. And based on a parameter from a business point of view, he can approve or reject the request. If the request requires to be changed, then the change can be done by raising a request reset to draft. After I click on approve the request, the system automatically intimates the HR department that a recruitment request has been raised and they are now supposed to do a hiring of so and so designation and the number of people. Okay. After the hiring has been done and denoted, all these requests will now be marked as done automatically. Okay. So this is the recruitment request module. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.